Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, our vision of future mobility, the BMW Vision iNEXT. This vision car is surely something you have never seen from BMW before. It's our trailblazer for a variety of future technologies. The BMW i Vision Next accelerates emotions, being fully autonomous in ease mode and emission-free with our next generation electromobility technology. It simplifies driving and redefines the way you perceive your surrounding with an interior of the future. It enhances experiences through artificial intelligence. And it improves networking through increased 5G connectivity. The traditional automobile has definitely been turned into a smart car. And to top it all off, the BMW iNEXT will be a true BMW when it comes to driving dynamics. You will feel in boost mode the power of the ultimate driving machine. To underline, we talk about best-in-class capabilities regarding acceleration, power-to-weight ratio, and low center of gravity. But for us, iNEXT is more than just a car. It integrates all of our strategic areas of innovation. In other words, it embodies our vision of future mobility, focusing on technologies which will fulfill our customers' desires. We are taking mobility to a new level. This way, iNEXT also defines our mindset, how we work. And we can see that our initial investments and activities on electromobility are already paying off. In 2017, we delivered 100,000 electrified vehicles to customers. This year, it will be 140,000. Already by the end of next year, we will have sold 500,000 electrified vehicles. Numbers that show the success of our strategy. Now, we are one of the leading providers of electrified vehicles worldwide. And our range is growing rapidly. By 2025, we will be offering at least 25 electrified vehicles. 12 of them, like this car, will be all electric. And we are developing already the 5th generation of BMW electrified drivetrains. So, for us, electromobility is already the new normal. So we needed another challenge, and we gave ourselves one: to offer safe, autonomous driving by 2021. And our ambition is clear. We want to be leading in this field too. We have been researching autonomous driving solutions for over 10 years now. And we have learned the challenges to overcome. And they are enormous. We are planning to take our technology, which enables safe, autonomous driving, to serious maturity by 2021. The availability of offerings for level 3, 4, and 5 will, of course, depend on external conditions. There are still crucial and legal and regulatory hurdles to clear before our cars will be able to drive autonomously and safely in all cities. But we at the BMW Group, we will have the technologies ready to go in 2021. Let's talk about the interior. Drive orientation is still important. We invented it. But digitalization and autonomous driving open up an opportunity to totally rethink the use of the interior of a car. So that's exactly what we did with the BMW Vision iNEXT. Our ambition was to create a place which enhances people's quality of life. We call it a favorite space. Using it will be intuitive, comfortable, and smart. Ultimately, the BMW Vision iNEXT will add a new dimension to sheer driving pleasure. Just to sum up, equipped with automated autonomous driving technologies, comprehensive connectivity features, an interior of the future, the powerful, fully electric BMW Vision iNEXT will serve as an accelerator, demonstrating our company's strengths on innovation. It will ensure that BMW Group has all technologies at its disposal to be successful in the market when competing with both old and more new players today and tomorrow.
We call the United States our second home, and I'm personally very much committed to the United States. We have our biggest plant here in South Carolina, and the upstates with 450,000 units capacity. We invested heavily in the last years into this factory, and there's a new X7 coming this year, which we will show tomorrow in the Los Angeles Motor Show. And overall, we employ more than 70,000 people in the United States. So it's a huge commitment, and I'm personally committed.
When it comes to technology, Google, Apple, so many people are asking, when will we have the iPhone moment for vehicles? When will we have a literal car that is a mobile device?
Definitely. I mean, we are in the heaviest transition phase of our automotive industry, in the electrification, in the autonomous driving, and the digitalization of the customer interface. But we started our journey already 10 years ago with the BMW i3 on going electric. And we will show you today something which is unique, shows the future of mobility. We call it the ACES, like an ace in a game, which is the ACES, which is A for autonomous, C for connected, the future of connectivity, then electrification and services of the future. And this will be all in one car, which shows with a perfect design, which shows the future of mobility. And with the Mini Electric coming next year, with the iNEXT coming in 2021, with the BMW iX3 in 2020, and with the i4, we will have 5 fully electric vehicles in 2021 on the road. And in 2025, we will have 25 electrified vehicles. It will have an East and a Boost mode. A Boost where you can enjoy driving, where you are the driver, you will enjoy it, you love to go cross-country or whatever you do. And in East mode, you can relax. You can talk with your friends, when the car is driving autonomous. And you can listen to music, you can have what I call emission-free, totally relaxing situation, even if there's a traffic jam. And that's the future of mobility. The driver at BMW will always decide what she or he wants. And so the joy of driving is at the heart of our brand, and that will not change even with autonomous driving.